Merry Christmas!
Come Santa Claus, down Santa Claus Lane.
Fred Claus.
His reindeer, pulling on the rein.
Fred Claus.
Bells are ringing, children sing. Bells are ringing, children sing. Bells are ringing, children sing. Santa Claus comes tonight.
Yeah, I tell them all I want for Christmas is 2 gold front teeth and 10-carat diamonds on a fat gold wreath that I can wear around my neck. Get money and respect. Tell Santa Claus to bring a $10 million check so I can spread a little cheer. Fly a couple leers, eat a little chicken, drink a couple beers, kick back and just chill like a player would do. Remix all the Christmas carols, then I'll play them for you. Luda, turn it up until I wake up all the neighbors. They say that I'm a nuisance, but I say they all some haters. Just because I'm poor, they always calling me a faker. And cause my Christmas tree's decorated in toilet paper. But little do they know, they about to see a show. Cause when they come up out the house, I'm gonna blast them with some snow. Frosty's never seen nothing quite like this, and St. Nick's never seen nothing quite like Chris. So
come Santa Claus, come Santa Claus, down Santa Claus Lane.
Fred Claus.
His reindeer, pulling on the rein.
Fred Claus.
Bells are ringing, children sing. Bells are ringing, children sing.
Hey guys, sorry there's no more clips left. We ran out of Modern Warfare 2 stuff, then we stopped playing. Yeah, we'll make stuff for Black Ops. This is like a mini montage. Sorry about the clips. Comment, rate, subscribe. Have a good day. See ya.